Hello everyone, welcome back again to PLAXIS 2D course for mastering retaining walls and shoring system. This is tutorial 25, modeling soil nails wall using Geogrids element for deep excavation stabilization in PLAXIS 2D. So if you remember in previous example in tutorial 24, we simulated this retaining structure, soil nails wall for deep excavation, and we modeled, we simulated the nails and facing using a plate element. We will repeat the same example from previous, and we will only change the nails from plate element to a geogrid element. So before we start modeling, I will shortly talk about the geogrids in PLAXIS 2D or in PLAXIS general. A geogrid element in PLAXIS, it is a reinforcement material generally used in geotechnical modeling to improve the stability and strength of the soil to provide more or additional stability. So in PLAXIS 2D, geogrids represent a two-dimensional and planar element, and the materials that are required for defining the geogrid are axial stiffness, which is the product of the tensile modulus of the geogrid times the cross-sectional area, and these parameters can be found in lab. So this type of reinforcement geogrids generally used for soil stabilization, foundation improvement, and reinforcement in embankment, retaining walls, or pavement. So as I mentioned before, we will repeat the same example from previous or from tutorial 24, and we will make a comparison between these parameters, the global safety factor and the maximum lateral displacement in the facing of this type of retaining structure. Also the maximum axial force in soil nail. So in previous example, we modeled a soil nail using a plate element, and let me check the parameters. So as we can see, the parameters are very close to each other and they are in good agreement. As we can see in here, the lateral displacement is a little bit high, and it is very small, and also the maximum axial force is a little bit higher than axial force modeling using plate element. This is because in modeling soil nail using geogrid, there is no bending moment. So that's why the axial force is a little bit higher. So as a conclusion from this comparison, both plate element and geogrid element can simulate the soil nail in PLAXIS 2D, while it is recommended that plate element be used for modeling these types of reinforcement. So this was for this tutorial. I hope it was clear and useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.